Hello everyone, this video is going to show you a brand new feature that just released to Google Docs called Document Tabs. Document Tabs is pretty awesome because it allows you to organize or differentiate your Google Docs to your team, to your classroom, to whomever is we're working with, and it's really good for organizational purposes. So I just kind of made some temporary test ones here. So ideas for organizations, I just created a document tab. That's what this is. You can move it up and down, you can duplicate it, you could add an emoji, you could add a link that goes right to it, all fun stuff. And get rid of that. So here are some ideas from organizations. So I could do my meeting agendas if I'd like. You could also copy those as well, so I could duplicate it and have different meeting agendas within one doc instead of having 100 documents of agendas, which is always good. You could do your department updates here. Same thing, you could differentiate this by department so that it doesn't get messy. That's always fun. You could throw your handbook in here, and what's nice is wherever you left off in your handbook, it actually remember as you're flipping through. So if I go back to this one tab here for project planning and I go back to handbook, look at that, it's in a total different area, which is great. And if any one of your any one of your tabs have headers within that, it will actually go right to it and it'll show it within that document tab. Really cool to be able to navigate really well. Alright, so project planning, newsletter planning, all that fun stuff is really good. For classroom ideas, I was thinking about a few things. I broke it down to like one experience you could have, but you're very intelligent when it comes to thinking about creative ways of using this. So what I was thinking about doing is I could do like a level text. So I use ChatGPT or School AI to level my text based off of what our kids need to read or learn about. I use Pixel System for fun. I also did some choice activities as well, so that is well in here. So it's all, once again, I'm in the same document. So I'm not going to a million different documents, it's all going to different spots here, which is cool. I could throw in my quiz if I wanted to, or I could do a link to a Google form, which is probably better. And then I could also have my rubric as well on the same thing. So what's nice about this is if I wanted to make a true power doc, sending it to my students or my staff, I could actually do this in one spot by using document tabs. And you don't have to go looking for a million different docs. It's all in one spot. Enjoy, try it out. There's a lot of different creative ways you can utilize this. I'm excited to see how this progresses.